Many believe that memories naturally fade with age, as if it were an inevitable consequence of aging, yet there's something rarely revealed. Every night your brain can silently lose thousands of neurons, not because of the passage of time, but because it doesn't receive what it needs precisely during the hours dedicated to regeneration. At first, there's nothing obviously abnormal. You start to notice tiny details. You find yourself in a room without knowing what brought you there. You read a few lines and realize you haven't assimilated anything. You try to recall the name of someone that used to come to you instantly. These signs do not indicate brain deterioration. They are communicating that nourishment isn't arriving at the opportune moment. And here's the aspect that no one truly clarifies. An aging brain doesn't suddenly collapse. It suffers from hunger during the nighttime hours. While you rest, your brain works intensely to eliminate toxic substances, contain inflammation, rebuild neural connections, and consolidate what you have experienced. It can only achieve all this if it has the essential elements readily available. Without them, the deterioration continues unnoticed, night after night. For years, they've told you that the solution requires supplements, brain exercises, or cognitive training. Instead, recent research suggests something much more fundamental and incredibly more effective. It depends on what you consume in the evening and at what time you do it. You don't need exotic, hard-to-find fruits or elaborate dietary regimens. Just certain fruits, consumed at the appropriate time, discreetly protect brain cells, preserve neurotransmitter balance, and safeguard memory during rest. In this video, we'll explore 3 of these fruits, we'll precisely examine their effect on the aging brain, and we'll show you how to use them to protect your memory during nighttime hours. Of course, in a safe and sustainable way. No sensationalism, no scaremongering, only transparent information, concrete science, and simple practices that give back to the brain what it has been denied. Let's start with the first fruit. You've probably eaten it countless times, but almost never when your brain truly needed it most. We're talking about a fruit that's always been in your diet, but probably never at the crucial moment for your brain. Bananas shouldn't just be considered a daytime snack. For adults over 60, they can become a fundamental nighttime resource that promotes memory restoration, preserving neurons and mental clarity. It all happens discreetly during sleep. Here's the information that rarely reaches older adults. A mature brain doesn't simply shut down at night, it depletes its reserves. During sleep, the brain focuses on consolidating memories, repairing damaged neurons, and eliminating oxidative waste. For this mechanism to function properly, it needs very specific nutrients available before rest begins. Bananas provide exactly this combination. First, bananas contain abundant vitamin B6, an essential nutrient for generating neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. These chemicals regulate mood, concentration, and memory formation. As we age, the body absorbs and utilizes B6 less efficiently, which explains why many older adults experience mental confusion, slowed recall, and emotional instability, especially in the early morning hours. Research has shown that insufficient B6 levels impair cognitive performance and reduce memory efficiency in older adults. By eating a banana in the evening, you replenish B6 just as your brain begins to convert daily experiences into permanent memories. This makes neurotransmitter transmission smoother and helps eliminate that mental fogginess that many older adults experience upon waking. Bananas also offer magnesium, a mineral that directly helps calm overactive neurons and promotes the deep, restorative sleep you need. Deep sleep, sometimes called slow-wave sleep, is the phase where the brain does most of its cell repair and memory consolidation work. A 2020 study in Nutrients revealed that older adults with a higher evening magnesium intake had better sleep quality, enhanced immediate memory, and a more balanced mood the following day. Magnesium prevents excessive nocturnal brain activity from hindering repair. Then there's tryptophan, another fundamental component in bananas. It's an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin. Melatonin performs functions far beyond simply promoting sleep. It activates brain antioxidant defenses and stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein essential for keeping neurons vital, preserving robust synapses, and generating new neural connections. When BDNF levels drop, cognitive decline and memory loss inevitably follow. In simple terms, bananas help the brain genuinely regenerate, not just rest. This isn't mere theory. Let me tell you a story. Robert, 67, a retired accountant, didn't define his problem as a memory deficit. What frustrated him most was how slow his thinking had become. In the morning, he would pick up the newspaper and have to reread the same paragraph repeatedly. In conversations, he knew what he wanted to communicate, but the words came a few seconds late. Nothing serious enough to alarm the doctor, but enough to make him irritated and less confident. He hadn't changed his medications, sleep routine, or supplements. The only change was surprisingly insignificant: a ripe banana about 60 minutes before bed every night. No smoothies, no added sugar, no other snacks. Everything else remained identical. After the first week, his sleep seemed deeper and less fragmented. 2 weeks later, the change became more pronounced. He told me, "I no longer wake up in a confused state." His thoughts flowed more quickly. He could follow conversations without that cognitive pause. He didn't call it a miracle, just a gradual recovery of clarity. To use bananas correctly for brain repair, timing is crucial. Eat a small or medium-ripe banana 45 to 60 minutes before going to bed. Choose bananas with some brown spots because ripening increases magnesium availability and antioxidant activity. If you're concerned about blood sugar, eating the banana with a handful of nuts can slow glucose absorption without compromising brain benefits. Avoid eating bananas late at night accompanied by caffeine, large meals, or large quantities of dairy, as they can disrupt melatonin signals and weaken the brain's nighttime repair work. Bananas don't speed up the brain, they prepare it. They silently provide the precise nutrients the aging brain needs exactly when its nighttime recovery process begins. If bananas replenish the aging brain, apples silently cleanse it. And this is precisely where many older adults go wrong about memory loss. It's not always about the brain running out of fuel. Often it's drowning in oxidative waste that hasn't been properly cleared. As we age, the brain becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Every thought, every memory, every decision generates metabolic byproducts. Normally, the brain clears this waste during deep sleep through something called the glymphatic system. But inflammation, compromised circulation, and nutritional deficiencies slow down the entire mechanism. The result isn't full-blown dementia, it's that subtle fog, slowed recall, and mental fatigue that often feels worse first thing in the morning. This is where apples come in, with an unexpected advantage. Apples are rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, especially quercetin, a compound concentrated in the skin. Quercetin has been shown in multiple studies to reduce neuroinflammation and protect neurons in the hippocampus, the brain's main memory center. A 2017 study in experimental gerontology found that quercetin helped preserve cognitive function and synaptic plasticity in aging models, indicating a protective effect against age-related memory decline. But apples don't just work in the brain, they work through the gut. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, including butyrate, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and stimulate the release of BDNF. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, is crucial for neuronal survival, repair, and the creation of new neural connections. When BDNF levels are low, there's a strong correlation with memory decline in older adults. This gut-brain connection is no longer hypothetical. A clinical study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed apples showed improved executive function and reduced systemic inflammation within 12 weeks. Less inflammation means better nocturnal brain repair, which is precisely when memory consolidation occurs. Apples also contribute to cerebral blood flow. Compounds called catechins keep blood vessels elastic, improving how oxygen and nutrients reach neurons during sleep. Better circulation means the brain's cleansing system can operate efficiently instead of fighting through adverse conditions. Timing is important here. Apples work best when consumed 1.5 to 2 hours before bedtime, not immediately before sleep. This allows the antioxidants time to enter the bloodstream and the fiber time to begin gut fermentation. Always eat apples with their skin on, as peeling them removes most of the quercetin and polyphenols. Red or dark-skinned varieties like Fuji, Gala, or Red Delicious generally have higher antioxidant levels. A nightly apple might seem insignificant, and that's exactly the point. Apples don't stimulate the brain, they restore conditions. The brain needs the right environment to self-repair overnight. When you combine it with a banana later in the evening, you create balance. Neurotransmitters are replenished, and oxidative waste is cleared. And once those foundations are set, the third fruit completes the cycle by protecting neurons from damage as memory is rebuilt. If bananas replenish the brain and apples cleanse it, oranges do something equally fundamental. They protect it while repair is underway. This step is frequently overlooked, but it's among the most relevant for older adults who wake up mentally foggy even after ample rest. Here's what many don't understand. The brain contains more vitamin C than any other part of the body, but it cannot store it. This means that if the intake decreases during the evening, the brain enters the night exposed and vulnerable to oxidative stress, precisely while it attempts to repair memory circuits. Vitamin C isn't just for immune health. In the brain, it performs three fundamental functions. First, it acts as a powerful antioxidant, blocking free radicals that accumulate during daily mental activity. These free radicals damage neurons, impair synapses, and accelerate cognitive decline if left unchecked. Second, vitamin C is necessary for producing dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters linked to concentration, motivation, and mental clarity. Third, it helps maintain the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, the protective filter that prevents toxins and inflammatory molecules from entering brain tissue. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that older adults with higher vitamin C intake performed significantly better on tests measuring attention, processing speed, and immediate memory compared to those with lower intake. It's noteworthy that these benefits were more pronounced when vitamin C was taken consistently, not occasionally. Oranges offer more than just vitamin C. They contain hesperidin, a citrus flavonoid that improves brain blood flow. Good nocturnal blood flow is important because the brain's waste removal system, the glymphatic system, relies on proper circulation to eliminate toxins like beta-amyloid, a protein linked to cognitive decline. A 2019 clinical study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed citrus flavonoids daily exhibited superior episodic memory and improved cerebral perfusion within 8 weeks. This means that oranges don't stimulate the brain. They silently defend it, supporting the biological conditions that memory consolidation needs during sleep. There's also a practical advantage for older adults. Oranges are naturally lower in potassium than many fruits, making them a suitable option for most older adults, including those who need to monitor mineral intake. When consumed whole, their fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing nocturnal glycemic spikes that can impair deep sleep. A concrete example makes this more understandable. Helen, 68, often woke up feeling mentally foggy, even after nights of adequate rest. She started consuming half an orange in the early evening, about 90 minutes before bedtime, keeping dinner light. Within 2 weeks, she noticed her mornings seemed clearer, and she could follow conversations more easily without losing her train of thought. Nothing drastically changed overnight, but maintaining this habit transformed her mornings. For optimal results, consume half to a whole orange, ideally 1.5 to 2 hours before rest. Avoid juice, which removes the fiber and causes faster sugar absorption. Do not completely remove the white albedo. That's where much of the hesperidin is concentrated. Pairing oranges with heavy meals, caffeine, or sugary desserts weakens their effectiveness, so keep things simple. Together, these three fruits create a comprehensive nightly approach. Bananas prepare the brain for repair, apples remove inflammatory debris, and oranges protect delicate neurons while memories are rebuilt. Now we'll guide you through how to combine them into a simple, realistic evening routine that integrates naturally into your daily life without turning food into medicine or sleep into a science project. Now that you understand the action of each fruit individually, the true effectiveness comes from how you use them together. The aging brain does not respond favorably to randomness. It heals best with rhythm, timing, and consistency. This evening fruit routine is designed to prepare the brain for repair, not overload digestion, and support memory consolidation during sleep. The fundamental principle is simple. Nutrients need to arrive before the brain enters deep sleep, not while it's happening. Research in neuroscience and biobehavioral reviews shows that in older adults, when you consume nutrients in the evening, it affects cognitive resilience more than the total amount consumed. In other words, timing matters as much as the food itself. Start approximately 2 hours before you plan to go to sleep. This allows the digestive system enough time to absorb and deliver key compounds to the brain before nightly repair begins. First, about 90 to 120 minutes before rest, consume half to a small apple with the skin on. This initiates the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory process early. Quercetin and polyphenols enter the bloodstream while soluble fiber begins to nourish gut bacteria, which will then signal the brain to release BDNF, the protein involved in neuronal repair and memory formation. Then, about 90 minutes before bedtime, have half to a whole orange. This replenishes vitamin C levels just when the brain needs it most for protection. At this point, hesperidin helps increase cerebral blood flow and prepares the glymphatic system to clear waste during deep sleep. Keep it whole, not juiced, and don't pair it with caffeine or sugary sweets.